All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to edit an Excel spreadsheet in Google Sheets or Excel, same file. All right, and the first thing that you want to make sure of is that you're actually running Google Drive on your PC or your Mac. So I'm on Windows right now. If I come down here and I'm look, well, I'm running Google Drive and it's syncing everything to this laptop. So that's key in this process. You have to be doing that. And to show you what I mean, I'll put this browser screen on the left. And on the right, I have the File Explorer. So here we're looking at what's on my computer. And in there, I'm seeing the Google Sheet. Okay, so you need to be seeing that Google Sheet in your files and online. The next thing that you need to do is click on these three dots, and we're going to download the file. So that's going to download onto my computer, and then I'll go find it in the File Explorer. We'll look in my Downloads folder. Here it is, and we're going to put it back into Google Drive. So one thing to check before you do that, we're going to maximize the screen. We're going to go to the gear icon and make sure that you've turned off the option to convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. All right, so it came out of Google Drive as an Excel file. And now we're going to re-upload it as an Excel file still. And I'll go back to Google Drive on the right. And now you can see it in both places. Right now we have an inventory spreadsheet in Google Sheets and an inventory spreadsheet in Excel. And now we're going to delete the Google Sheets file. So after we convert it, we don't need it anymore. So let's just move it to the trash. Now what we can do is right click on the file in Google Drive. And we'll say open with Google Sheets. So this shows that you can open an Excel file while keeping it in the same format and not converting it to Google Sheets. So you can use this just like it's a Google Sheet. So you can share it with other people. You can collaborate with them. So we're going to close that and show you how you can also use it in the desktop version of Excel. All right, so we're going to minimize this. And we're going to look at the same file in your File Explorer. And you need to have the full desktop version of Microsoft Excel installed for this to work. And this video is assuming that you have that because you found this video because you want to use the full capabilities inside of that desktop version. So this is the same file that we just looked at inside of Google Sheets, and I'm going to open it in Excel. This is going to take a second because it has to launch the entire Excel app. So that's one of the advantages of Google Sheets, right? Is that it would just launch right away. Okay, here it is. So this is the exact same spreadsheet file. But now that it's in Excel, you have access to all of the capabilities that are in the full desktop app. And Excel will still save the file back to Google Drive because that's the file location. So we'll just make one change here just to prove that it's the same file. So I just highlighted cell B5. I'll save it and close it. We'll go back to Sheets. Now I'll just double click on it this time. You don't have to right click. And there's the cell that's highlighted. If you want to see how to look at your data in Excel without converting the file, I'll link to that video right now. But this one won't go two ways. So you can create a connection from Excel to Google Sheets to look at the data and work on the data, but you can't update the actual data. And I'll see you in that video.